Welcome to LinguaWire English A2. Today, we have two stories. One about drones hitting St Petersburg in Russia, and another about China banning some New Zealand politicians. Please join us to practice your English every day with the latest episode. For transcripts and quizzes, visit linguawire.com. To talk about the drone strikes in Russia, I have Sarah, our LinguaWire World News reporter. Hello, Sarah. What exactly happened in St. Petersburg?
Hello, Daniel. Early on Wednesday, many drones flew over St. Petersburg, a large city in Russia. They hit oil storage places and other targets near the city. People saw black smoke rising into the sky.
How many drones were there, and did anyone get hurt?
Officials said they shot down 59 drones during the night. 3 parts of the city were hit, but no one was killed.
That sounds serious. Why did this happen just before the Economic Forum started?
The Economic Forum is a big event where leaders and business people meet. Vladimir Putin, Russia's president, was going to speak there. The strikes happened just hours before the forum opened.
Did the strikes cause other problems in the city?
Yes, mobile internet stopped working for a while, and the airport in St. Petersburg closed temporarily. Also, nearby countries Latvia and Estonia gave air raid warnings.
What did the leaders say about the strikes?
The Kremlin spokesman said Russia will respond with systemic actions, meaning more actions will follow. Ukraine's President Zelensky said the strikes are part of a plan to bring peace closer.
Did Ukraine say which places they hit?
Yes, Zelensky said drones hit an oil terminal and a naval base in Kronstadt near St. Petersburg. Videos online showed drones flying toward military ships there.
Why is Kronstadt important?
Kronstadt is the main base for Russia's Baltic Fleet, part of their navy. The Ukrainian commander said one ship, called Boyki, was hit.
Thank you, Sarah. This helps us understand the situation better. Now I am with Adam, our LinguaWire politics reporter. Adam, what is the news about New Zealand politicians and China?
Hello, Daniel. China has banned 4 New Zealand members of parliament from visiting China for 1 year. This happened because they visited Taiwan last month.
Is this the first time China has done this?
Yes, it is the first time China has banned New Zealand MPs for visiting Taiwan. The MPs found out about the ban when they returned from Taiwan in May.
Why did China ban them?
The Chinese embassy said the MPs ignored China's serious concerns. China sees Taiwan as part of its territory and does not like foreign politicians visiting Taiwan.
What did New Zealand say about this ban?
New Zealand's foreign ministry said MPs have visited Taiwan for many years. They said these visits do not go against New Zealand's One China policy.
Did the MPs respond to the ban?
Yes, one MP, Laura McClure, said the ban is a kind of foreign interference. She also said she will not apologize for visiting Taiwan. She was surprised and shocked by the ban.
Was the visit political?
The visit included MPs from different parties, both the ruling coalition and the opposition. China said the visit sent wrong signals to Taiwan's government and independence groups.
What could happen next between China and New Zealand?
China said the ban might be reduced or removed if the MPs apologize, but some MPs say they will not apologize. This could cause more tension between the two countries.
Thank you, Adam. This gives us a clear picture of the situation. Let's look at some useful words from today's stories. First, from the story about the drone strikes in St. Petersburg. The first word is strike. It means to attack or hit a place. In the story, drones struck oil storage facilities. For example, the workers went home after the strike at the factory. The second word is terminal. It means a place where goods or passengers arrive or leave. In the story, the drones hit an oil terminal. For example, the bus terminal is near the city center. The third word is base. It means a place where military forces stay. In the story, Kronstadt is a naval base. For example, soldiers returned to their base after the exercise. Now, a useful phrase from the second story, to apologize for. This means to say sorry for something you did. It is often used when someone wants to fix a problem. For example, I apologize for being late, or she apologized for the mistake in the report. You can use this phrase when you want to say sorry politely. In the story, the MPs said they will not apologize for visiting Taiwan. That is all for today's language recap. Follow LinguaWire for the latest daily episode and build your daily language habit with us.